Hi everyone. So I've often looked for apps that would allow me to optimize the storage on an Android device, and up till now, the thing is you can never be too sure. A lot of the apps that exist on the Play Store, you can never be too sure if they are safe enough to install and if they will work as suggested. But finally, I think I found an app that does allow Android users to optimize the storage on the Android device, and at the same time is safe to use as well. So here we go. Um, so basically you would have to go to the Play Store, and then you would search for an app named Files. So as you can see, it's showing the app there. The good thing about this app is that it's actually provided by Google, so it's been developed by Google, so we can be sure that it is safe enough to install on a mobile phone. I've tried it on two different Android phones with an older version of Android, and it has worked perfectly on both the phones. So as you can see, it is already installed, so you can open the app. So yeah, there's a message that basically indicate that it's going to access your storage. You can continue with that. I'm going to allow it to access my media files, and as you can see, it's got a very nice interface. It's basically showing different sections, so it will take you through steps of cleaning your Android phone's storage. So the first section basically shows the junk files. So if you tap on the confirmation button, basically it shows you how much storage it will clean, and you can individually see the junk files as well. So in this case, as we can see that they are all temporary files. So I'm just going to say okay, go back, and instead of individually selecting the files, I'm just going to confirm so it can free up the space. So as you can see, it's clearing up the space over there. Now the second section is basically it's going to show you, I guess, relevant applications where it can find files that can be easily removed. So in my case, for example, it's talking about WhatsApp. When I go into that section, it's individually showing me a lot of the files that I've downloaded. In this particular case, just to show how we can clear a few files, I'm just going to select a few files, but you can basically select any number of files and then delete them. Then there's an additional option of here which is free up more space. If you continue, it will basically ask for access. So I'm basically going to allow files, permit usage access, then go back. And now basically it's showing me a section where it says that all the unused apps that potentially I can remove. Again, it's your choice if you want to go ahead and remove some of these apps. Just for the sake of showing how we can remove an app, I'm going to select this and uninstall. Now it's specifically showing me a section for downloaded files. If I go there, I can see some files over here, and let's select a few from here and delete them. So as you can see, I've cleaned up quite a bit of storage, and yeah, there you go. There's an introduction to the Files app. So I'm pretty sure it's quite safe because it's actually released by Google themselves, and it gives a very easy and nice interface to clean up your Android storage. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, do give it a try. Thank you.